Hi. Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In this video, we'll be learning how to declare variables in C programming. And what are the various naming rules to define variables in C? What are variables? A variable is an identifier or a name which is used to refer a value. Each variable in C has a specific type, which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. Before using the variables, we need to know how to declare variables. Declaration simply means announcing the properties of variable to the compiler. Here by saying properties, we mean that what will be the size of the variable, and what will be the name of the variable. Don't worry, it is not very difficult job to do. You'll see in a moment how easy it is to declare a variable. Let me give you an example of how to declare a variable. Here, the name of the variable is var, and it has integer data type. Data type simply means how much space a variable is going to occupy in a memory. Therefore, by writing int var, you are declaring a variable. Please note down one thing. After int var, we had put a semicolon over here. This is very important, because this is how your compiler separates one statement from the other. So don't forget to add semicolon at the end of the variable. If you assign some value to a variable at the time of declaration itself, then it is called as initialization. This is how you will do initialization. Initialization doesn't mean that the value cannot be changed. You can change the value later also. Now, let us see the various rules to define variables in C. Rule number 1. Every variable should start with alphabet or underscore. Asterisk. I, J, K. This is wrong way to define a variable. You can define a variable as underscore I, J, K, or just I, J, K. Both ways are correct. Rule number 2. No spaces are allowed in variable declaration. Rule number 3. Except underscore, no other special symbol are allowed in the middle of the variable declaration. Rule number 4. A variable is written with a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. That is, underscore. Rule number 5. No reserved keyword. In today's session, we have learned what are variables, how to declare variables, what are different rules to define variables. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.